Fresh off the press, Jeep news is back. Let's get into it today and talk about all the changes that you can expect. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matt with Susquehanna Auto. Now I know for the past few weeks we have been a little bit absent with Jeep news, but that's because there was a new drop on our Ford side of the business with the F-150 launch. Now within the past few weeks there has been a couple changes on the Jeep side, nothing I would say crazy or monumental when I look at it, but some things have changed. In this video I want to go over a few of those, talk about what you can expect and how you can place orders for all of these brand new great Jeeps. Now I'll go right into this one and tell you that the 2023 Jeep Gladiator order banks are open. So if you guys have been waiting for the 23 to open up, I know it was kind of a little bit of limbo when it came from closing the 22 Gladiator to opening this next model year, and I will say that those are officially open and they do include a couple new trims and packages. Now when we look at the Gladiator for the release of the 2023, I know there were a lot of expectations and there was a lot of things that we hoped would happen. I think the biggest question that I get about the Gladiator is why they don't install the 392 engine in there. And to be quite honest, I don't have the answer for you. If it was the perfect world, I would already have the 392 and probably the Hellcat in both of these platforms, because I just think it would be totally sick. Now for the 23, the only real addition was the inclusion of the Freedom package, and there are some new colors that are supposed to come out later this year. They haven't released them to the public yet, but there has been a couple just reports coming out with some new colors to be announced that we should expect later on this year on the Gladiator. I know we were hoping for a lot, and I think there is some things coming, but for right now, the 2023 is pretty dang close to what you could order for the 22. Now the first one that I want to talk about that has just been released a few days ago on our order bank is the Freedom Edition. If you guys are familiar, back in 2019, 2020, Jeep did that with the JL. It was called the Oscar Mike or the Freedom package. Basically, this is an interior and exterior appearance package that includes a lot of heritage towards the military, towards the American flag, which I think is really neat. Now, they've done it this year for the Wrangler and the Gladiator. The cool thing is that they've incorporated a lot back into it. Probably the biggest thing that I like on this is that they incorporate some cool exterior features, including color match fenders, black wheels, as well as the front steel bumper and LED group, all included into this package. It's built off of a sport trim model, and in the standard Wrangler you can get it with the V6 manual, the 2-liter turbo, or the V6 e-torque automatic. And then on the Gladiator side you only have one option, which is the standard 3.6 with the 8-speed automatic. You can do that with any color, and I gotta be honest, it's a pretty cool trim package. When it comes to everything incorporated into it, they turn out really clean, and I really like them in that sting gray color because that's what we're most familiar seeing them with. Perhaps the biggest news in today's Jeep news video is the fact that they've released two brand new colors. Now this happened a couple weeks back, and I will tell you, I've seen some rumors, I've seen the Instagram photos on Jeep, and they are awesome. I will tell you that both of these colors that have dropped, I'm super excited to get some on order and then start to see them show up here at our dealership. Those colors are Rain and Earl Grey. Now Rain is Purple Rain, much reminiscent of the Prince song, and then Earl Grey is like the tea, so it's a grayish blue color. Now if you're thinking about the purple and saying, you know, that's going to be way too bright, it's going to be kind of like looking like, I don't know, what's that? What's Barney? Is it Barney? That's the, it's not. This is gonna be a deeper purple with a lot of metallic flake, and from what I'm hearing, it is pretty much the exact same as the JK that came in the purple too. That one they did the backcountry package in, and I really, really loved when that was released. The cool thing is this is available in all trim levels, so all the way up to the Rubicon 392, you can order that Rain or the Earl Grey color. Now, I am excited to start seeing them in person. I don't think that these are gonna replace anything. However, I will tell you that the Rain is a limited edition color with rumored to only be able to order until October-ish time frame. So if you're looking to order one of those, definitely reach out to us. Earl Grey doesn't say limited edition in front of it, so I think that one will be around for a little bit. Now, if you guys are interested in reaching out and placing an order for a Gladiator, a Wrangler, or any other vehicle in our fleet, definitely look in the description below. We've got the email, we got my work cell phone on there, and we can definitely help you place that order. I think at this point, we've probably placed orders for almost every one of the 50 states, and last week we even placed an order in Alaska. So to say we can work with you guys no matter where you are in the country is an understatement, and we'd love to work with you here at Susquehanna. Now, till next time, I hope you guys are enjoying this content. Definitely drop a comment below. Maybe what color you would like to see. I love to hear that. If it's an old Jeep color, maybe it's another color off the spectrum, definitely drop that comment below, and I'll respond back with some of my favorite colors. Till next time, I'm Matt from Susquehanna Automotive. I'll catch you on the next one.